Hey, what's going on, family? Nasir here, CEO of Clarity Effects. I'm making this video because I want to show you guys these accounts. I want to show you the transparency. I want to show you what risk to reward is so you can see for yourself. This is actually how you trade. Again, I'm not saying that other people don't know how to trade, but as I progress, you'll know exactly what I mean. So the best way to show you that is by showing you one of our freshest accounts, okay? Now, this account was just literally started this week. All right, and the reason for that is because I wanted to show you guys that if I take this software and I put it on an account, all right, it's going to trade the way prop firms want you to trade, okay? And if you don't know what a prop firm is, prop firms are proprietary firms. They work with profitable traders. Now, if you trade like this, where your stop losses are always bigger than your losses, then they will want you to work with them. They don't want to work with people who have stop losses bigger than TPs, market scaling systems, hedging systems. They don't like that type of stuff. All right. They want you to trade the way this system is trading right now. So this entry was placed at 1.29. I'm gonna simplify this. 1.29428. That's where the sell was entered. Right. The stop loss, right, was placed right above this high. So that explains why it was a 4.52 lot size. That also explains why gold is a 1.47. The lot sizes are different because it's always risking the same amount. It's always going to lose $500 for a potential of $2,000 to $3,000, even $4,000, $5,000. $5,000 is a full 1 to 10 risk reward. So this trade, this $3,100 trade, right, was an almost 1 to 4 trade, 1 to 4, because the stop loss, right, as you can see, let me show you the stop loss. The stop loss was around 519, and it dropped all the way to 750, which was roughly about 100 pips. So because of that, made a decent amount of money. Now I want to show you an account that's been running for about 3 months, so you can see how it does across a long period of time. So this is May the 1st. I want to show you May the 1st. That's when everybody started using version 1. All right. The one before that was just in beta. We were testing different brokers. The strategy works impeccably. We were just testing different brokers. And what we discovered is that certain brokers, all right, are just, you don't want to work with them. So the top brokers and the top firms like FTMO and E8 and several firms that you guys are familiar with right now, if you're familiar with firms, this will work with that, with those firms, okay? So since May the 1st, all right, since May the 1st, this account's been running, and you can see the losses, and they're never huge. They're not 2,000. The losses are never bigger than the winners, and that is what prop firms want to see. Each trade is $500, okay? Some trades are lower, some trades are higher because of spread. Now, this trade was a $1,500 loss, all right? VPS was off that day. Of course, again, this is a client's account. The client didn't pay for the VPS, and it's unfortunate. But even after taking a $1,500 loss, it recovered that immediately. Look at that. Took a $1,500 loss, made almost $1,500, and then continued to make that money back. And then all the way into today, it's up $14,000. It would be up $15,000 in complete autopilot, all right, being managed by Kevlar AI on this 100K demo. All right. Now these trades are being copied over to the prop firms. So, guys, I wanted to make this video to show you the I don't even know how to say that word. I want to show you that this is real. This is legit. We spent 5.5 years. I have a team of 26 people. We pass your accounts for you, and we also provide a software that will manage the algorithm for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop it here, so that way you guys can collect your questions, and I'll be here to answer your questions live. Take care.